Welcome to Easy English Talks podcast and Eliges instance of easing and need English treatmenter. Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here. In this podcast, I will share simple, useful, and everyday English sentences with you. These sentences are easy to understand and perfect for daily conversations. I will speak slowly and clearly to help you learn better. Let's improve your English step by step together. Thank you for listening. Let's get started. Daily conversation. Emma. Hey Alex, good morning.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Just a little tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no, I hope you feel better soon. Did you have coffee this morning?
Yes, I did. Coffee always helps. What about you? What's your plan for today?
Nothing special. I'm going to clean my room and maybe go to the supermarket later.
Sounds good. I need to go shopping too. Maybe we can go together?
That would be fun. What do you need to buy?
Just some fruits, bread and milk. I also need a new toothbrush.
Okay. I need vegetables and some snacks. Oh, and maybe some juice too.
Do you usually cook at home or eat out?
I cook at home most of the time. It's cheaper and healthier. What about you?
I usually eat out. I don't really like cooking. I'm too lazy.
I understand. But cooking can be fun. I can teach you sometime.
Really? That would be great. What kind of food do you like to cook?
Simple food, pasta, rice with vegetables, and sometimes chicken.
Yum. That sounds delicious. Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy, just a little.
Same here. By the way, what time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m. I try to wake up early. And you?
I wake up at 8, but I always feel sleepy in the morning.
Do you drink enough water during the day?
Not really. I usually forget.
You should drink more water. It helps a lot, especially with energy.
You're right. I'll try to drink more. Do you go to the gym?
Not really, but I walk every evening in the park. It's relaxing.
Nice. I need to start doing that too. I sit too much during the day.
Me too. Sitting all day is not good for our health.
Exactly. So, what are you doing this weekend?
Maybe I'll visit my cousin. She lives outside the city.
That sounds like fun. I might just stay home and watch movies.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, I love them. What about you?
I prefer comedies. I like to laugh and relax.
Good choice. Okay, I should go now and get ready.
All right, let's go to the supermarket around 4 p.m.
Perfect. See you then.
See you, Alex.
Exactly. So, what are you doing this weekend?
Maybe I'll visit my cousin. She lives outside the city.
That sounds like fun. I might just stay home and watch movies.
Do you like action movies?
Yes, I love them. What about you?
I prefer comedies. I like to laugh and relax.
Good choice. Okay, I should go now and get ready.
All right, let's go to the supermarket around 4 p.m.
Perfect. See you then.
See you, Alex.
100 simple and useful daily English sentences. Good morning. How are you today? What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Have a great day. See you later. What time is it? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Can I help you? Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Could you repeat that? Where is the bathroom? How much does it cost? I like this song. What's your favorite food? I need some water. I'm tired today. Let's go for a walk. It's a beautiful day. Do you have any questions? I'm sorry. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Excuse me. Where do you live? How do you say this in English? What's the weather like today? It's raining outside. It's very hot today. It's cold today. I like to read books. Can you help me? What's your phone number? I'm learning English. I love traveling. What's your favorite movie? Let's watch a movie. Do you like coffee? I prefer tea. I'm busy right now. See you tomorrow. What's your hobby? I like to play soccer. Where do you work? I work in an office. Do you have any brothers or sisters? I have one brother. What did you do yesterday? I went to the park. Can you write it down? I don't know. What's your favorite color? I like blue. Do you like music? Yes, I love music. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Let's have lunch together. Where is the nearest restaurant? I'm going to the store. Can I have the bill, please? How do you feel today? I feel great, thank you. What's your favorite season? I like summer. Do you have pets? I have a dog. What's your favorite sport? I like basketball. Can you repeat that, please? What's your address? I live on Main Street. How long have you studied English? I have studied for 2 years. I need to practice more. Do you like to cook? Yes, I like cooking. What's your favorite dish? I love pizza. Can you recommend a good book? I'm going to bed now. Good night. Have a nice weekend. What's your favorite place to visit? I like the beach. How do you say thank you in your language? I'm happy to help. I'm learning every day. Can we practice English together? That's a good idea. I enjoy listening to music. What's your favorite song? I'm from your country. Keep practicing and don't give up.